রিল্যাক্স কারণ একটু করে লোক
Good morning, friends. It's shiny day and we are going to Payra River for live Hilsa Fish catching. The weather is lovely and I hope today fisher will get lots of Hilsa fish in the Payra River. Friends, I already covered couple of Hilsa fish catching videos on my channel, but the result wasn't much impressive. But I hope today it will be. So stay with me for enjoying Deshi river fishing style. Friends, now we are in the fishing place and fishers are throwing their long fishing net. It takes almost 20 to 25 minutes to finish. One fisher is throwing the brick and another one is using the plastic sponge. That's the procedure of net throwing process in the river. Friends, net throwing process is done and now fishers are taking a short break like 2 hours. Interestingly, I am going to cover this break session. Let's see how fishers enjoy their break session in the river. Friends, the weather is very funny, really it is. Now it's raining guys. Whatever, after 2 hours, our fisher already started their net collection process and they are looking for live Hilsa fish. Friends, this is the first Hilsa fish. From the last 15 minutes, fishers were trying hard in the rain. Guys, once again it's looking like a sunny day. But our fishers are doing the same job. What they were doing in the rain. They are looking for live Hilsa fish. Friends, I see a fish. So, fisher got another fish. And I hope this is a Hilsa fish. Yes guys, fisher is trying to manage this one. Oh, I think it's a... Yes guys, it's not a Hilsa fish. It's a Payra fish. But the size is really impressive guys. Fishers got a big Payra fish. Yes guys, here's the Payra fish. Friends, now it's a Hilsa fish guys. Yes guys, fisher got another big Hilsa fish. Yes guys, here's the Hilsa fish, live Hilsa fish from the Payra River. Friends, to be honest, we didn't get enough Hilsa fish according to our expectation. But please, don't lose your hope. Very soon, I'll show you how fishers catch lots of Hilsa fish in the Payra River. So stay with fish corn and stay with fish and fishing. Have a good day, guys. Thank you very much.